All right, so 5 rounds, 386, 187 off the draw with a 180-degree turn at 15 yards. So let's take a look. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alphas. So it was a good drill for, I like doing it for hard skill development, also crossover defensive utility. So you have 180-degree turn, okay, so you're working the efficiency of movement. You're working what I think is kind of like a realistic reaction time to an unknown threat, okay, making that turn. You're working speed, accuracy, and accountability. Also that intermediate distance of 15 yards. So what we're trying to do, what I'm trying to do is, like I said, not just a hard skill development, but also mirror that urgency of a real world application. So give these a try.